Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Um, here I am again, and I am here to talk about uh, structure text. And my name Reinaldy Maliki. My name 061940512766. Next, structure text. Structure text, chronological, problem and solution, cause and effect, spatial and descriptive, and compare and contrast, sequence process. And next, uh, what is chronology? Chronology is the arrangement of events by time in literature. Most of the author with their story as a sequence of events. When you use this method, arranging events is the order in which they occurred in time is called putting the in chronological order. Sticking with a chronological time is the easiest way for audience to follow what happens and is generally the best way to show cause and effect. But some author might be more risky with a story's chronology, sharing events out of order. For example, they might start the story at the end word big words jump back and forth in the time and so on. Example: tsunami. A general statement. The term of tsunami is derived from the Japanese, which refers to both "shu" and wave "nami". A tsunami is a set of waves move wildly the water in attack or the sea is rapidly displaced on a massive scale. A tsunami can happen when the bottom of the ocean abruptly deforms and vertically displaces the overflowing water. This large vertical movement of the Earth's crust can emerge at plate borders. Subduction of earthquakes are indeed effective in generation tsunami and occurs where denser oceanic plates slide under continental plates. As the deviation was is massive amount moves under the influence of gravity to regain its equilibrium. It directly radiates across the ocean like ripples on a pond, and is why or how something occurs in a sketch example and chain of. And closing, tsunami always bring figures damage. Most of the damage is caused by the hook mass of displaced water behind the initial one wave front as the height of the sea tide keeps rising fast and floats strongly into the coast area. Next. And cause and effect. Cause and effect is a relationship between events or things where one is the result of the other or others. This is a combination of action and reaction. Example: we received 7 inches of rain in 4 hours. The underpass was flooded, and I never brushed my teeth. I have 5 cavities. Smoking cigarettes, lung cancer. The streets were snow-packed and easy. Cars needed more time to stop. And next, example cause and effect in sentence. When water is heated, the molecules move quickly, therefore the water boils. 2. A tornado blew the roof of the house and result the family had to find another place to live. And 3. Because the alarm was not C, we were led forward. 4. The moon has gravitational pull, consequently the ocean have tides. 5. Since school was cancelled, we went to the mall. And 6. You made a rude comment, so Alice hit him. And 7. When the ocean is extremely polluted, coral reefs die. And 8. The meal we ordered was cheaper than expected, so we ordered dessert. And last, since helium balloon floats. Next, cause and effect in the structure. Cause and effect cause people are exposed to germs. People don't dress properly for the weather. An effect, people get sick. Example, many people think that they can get sick by going into cold weather improperly dressed. However, illness are not caused by temperature. They are caused by germs, so while shivering outside in the cold probably won't strengthen your immune system, you are more likely to contract an illness indoors because you will have a greater exposure to germs. In the above example, the graph explains how germ cause illness. The germ are the cause in the paragraph and the illness is the effect. Here is another example of a paragraph that is written using the cause and effect text structure. Next. Another example. Students are not allowed to chew gum in my class, while some students think that I am just being mean. There are many good reasons for this rule. First, some irresponsible students make messes with their gum. They may leave it on the bottom of the drop it on the floor or put it on other people's property. Another reason why I don't allow students to chew gum is because it is distraction. When they are allowed to chew gum, students are more worried about having it, popping it, chewing it, and snapping in than they are enlisting reading, and learning. This is why I don't allow students to chew gum in my class. Cause gum makes mess in the classroom. Cause gum is a distraction. Effects students are not allowed to chew gum. Next. Compare and contrast. Compare and contrast is a rhetorical style that discusses the similarities and difference of two or more things, idea, concepts, items placed at this rhetorical style is one that you will see often as a complete essay, but you may also use it quite a lot within paragraphs of any kind of essay in which you need to make some kind of comparison to help illustrate a point. Compare, similarly, contrast, however. Likewise, nevertheless, also, nonetheless, like, still, just, although, just like to, similar to, but, same as, yet, and dan lain-lain. Next, compare. Compare is a form of Compare is a form of statement in comparing the similarity of an object. Example, you and I both have a pencil case. Contrast, meanwhile, contrast is a statement comparing the difference of an object. Example, he was happy, but I am so upset today. Next, sequence our process. One, information is listed step by step. Two, explain how to do it or how it happens. 3. In the procedure text, prepare the fresh orange, peel the skin and fiber, and enter it into a blender. Might use a juice to make it more practical. And last, combine water and ice cubes. You can also mix honey. Next, find sequence on the text, how to make ice cream, material, and ini. Next, spatial and descriptive. Spatial organization may also be called descriptive writing and is it most frequently used when the narrator describes how something looks. Spatial organization is generally pretty easy to identify, but we are aware then that spatial organization is used in both fiction and non-fiction text. For the example is descriptive text. Next, descriptive text. Singapore is a Southeast Asian country located between Malaysia and Indonesia. Identification. Despite its small size, Singapore is known for its transition as a third world country to the first world country. Singapore also was known as the Asian Tiger Company, based on internal trade and its workforce. Singapore's size is not as big as Indonesia, but City ranks highly in numbers international ranking for its education, entertainment, finance, healthcare, human capital, innovation, logistics, manufacturing, technology, tourism, trade and transport. Singapore is home to 5.6 million people with a diverse culture. Majority ethnic groups in Singapore are Chinese, Malay and India. Singapore Independence Day was on the 9th of August 1965. Marillion statue is the official mascot of Singapore. Singapore is famous for its garden by the bay, Marina Bay Sands, and Orchard Road's description. Next, identify the problem and solution structure in a text. The reader needs to look for signal word and phrases such as problem and solution. Problem, the dilemma is issue. To solve this, to address this solution, challenge, propose solution, difficulties, resolve, repair, remedy, one answer is. Next, problem and solution. Instructor text the text well content to section. Problem. How can I track my meals when I jog? And solution. Many smartphone apps can track your meals while you jog. Problem. The problem section present the dilemma, like how can I track my meals while I jog. The solution section present a way to fix it and why will be the best one for the job. Next. Ends. Maybe ini saja. Saya tutup dengan Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.